when you're leaving, you're starting your day, you know your day is going to be tough, you know you're going to have a big long day, and you see this kid out here all smiles, and you just remember what it's all about. Woo!
A wave, a smile, and a beep of the horn is all it takes.
He's been doing this since he's 3 years old, and in these days, we've had a tough last year and a half. We need a little more happiness in the world.
They are honks for Jason. The 23-year-old has cerebral palsy, but that won't stop him from spreading joy. He hopes to raise money for St. Joseph Home, where he attends day programs. The UPS facility in Sharonville was one of his first stops around town. And the drivers here really delivered.
When we see Jason, we light up, and it feels good to be appreciated. You know, it just is that feeling where it's part of our community and he's part of our family.
For every honk, $1 goes towards the goal of a $10,000 donation to St. Joseph Home.
This fundraising initiative is really going to help support a lot of the wonderful medical care that we provide to our residents and to folks like Jason.
His father says the support of St. Joseph Home has been phenomenal.
And it's just a fantastic place. They've been very supportive. He's made lots of friends there, and he's just been thriving.
With every honk, Jason is paying it forward. Miana Massey, WLWT News 5.